Alright, I am going to microwave soap in my really old-fashioned microwave. So, just put this here. So it's just normal soap, it's like ocean. And yeah, I just found it. In a dirty microwave. Well, you cannot see it at all, but I'll put it for about 2 minutes. Alright, still not that hot. As you can see, it's starting. That is pretty loud. But it's starting to expand, and more will happen. So just find some random soap and you can try this. It starts to squirt out more. Right there is that. Wow, that's really foggy. Sorry about that. Ow, that really hurt my hand. I just touched it. Alright, I don't want to do it anymore because it smells really bad. So it's gonna probably get the camera foggy. This is it. I'll poke it with a fork. As you can see, a fork. It's kind of wow. So that's inside. It's just like puff. Yeah, well, thanks for watching.